Hey there guys, in today's video I want to take you on kind of a tour through our airsoft field. Now that spring has been here for a while, all the foliage has kind of grown up. Now that there's some more natural camouflage, I think some of the forts are a little bit more hidden, so I thought I'd just show you guys what that looks like. So I think what we'll do is go around to each of the forts and we'll have a couple shots on each one. It'll just be kind of a nice relaxing tour for you guys, and then I guess we'll go ahead and get started. Anyways guys, I think that's going to be about it for today's tour. That's about all the forts I have so far. If you guys would like to see a more detailed look at any of the forts that were in this video, I'll have links in the description below to full videos as well as the timestamps for where these forts appeared in this video. But I think that is about all I have for today's video, so if you guys have any comments or questions, feel free to post those down below. Maybe if you guys have a favorite fort that you've seen in this video or other ones, or if you have a fort that you maybe want to see me build. Otherwise, I'd just like to thank you guys for watching, and as always, I will see you in the next video.